Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying permissions and tools so you can change the Latch character without surprises. Make sure you have owner or user access administrator privileges for the subscription or resource group. Once authenticated with Azure CLI or a service principal, locate the exact resource ID and note the current Latch char value. Export settings for rollback. Now run as account getaccess token to validate session expiry, and prepare a short maintenance window to minimize live impact. You now perform the change. Retrieve the resource configuration using as resource show or the provider's get API so you can craft a precise JSON patch. Prepare a minimal payload that updates only the Latch character field and validate it against the resource provider schema to avoid breaking dependent fields. Then execute as resource update or a patch request with the payload. Check the command output and resource provisioning state. If the resource is versioned, increment or annotate the change. You finish by validating the update and monitoring behavior. Immediately get the resource to confirm the Latch character reflects the new value and review activity logs and metrics for unexpected errors or restarts. If something goes wrong, revert using the exported backup JSON or reapply the previous character value. Make sure to test functionality after rollback. Finally, document who made the change, when, and why, and schedule a short post-change review to catch delayed issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.